This chart highlights a massive fracture in the 2025 Stack Overflow Developer Survey. 84% of developers now use AI tools daily, yet 46% actively distrust the output, and 66% are frustrated by code that is almost right, but not quite. This is the almost right code tax. It is the suggestion that looks clean in the editor, but costs the team 2 hours of debugging later because the model missed a specific piece of business logic. Over the next 5 minutes, we will map out how to divide tasks between your engineers and your machines and build a concrete AI guardrails policy for your squads. Spending 48 hours to establish these guardrails prevents the initial speed of AI tools from turning into a long-term drag on your team's velocity. Effective policies require a baseline of actual data. Before writing any rules, you need to identify where AI is currently failing your specific team. Ask your squads one question today. Where do AI suggestions cause the most rework? The answers will show you exactly where the models are hallucinating in your specific stack. Use the Junior Pair Programmer framework to evaluate these contributions. Treat AI as an eager assistant whose work requires a human signature before it reaches production. We explicitly divide coding tasks into 2 categories: machine-assisted and human-owned. On the AI side, low-risk work. Developers can use AI for boilerplate, tests, and simple refactoring. High-risk tasks remain human-owned. Engineers must write core business logic and security-sensitive architecture. This division accounts for the fact that AI models bluff when they lack context. When a problem is highly specific to your environment, the machine often fills the gaps with confident, incorrect patterns. This matrix protects developer attention. By removing AI from complex logic, you eliminate the need for engineers to spend hours decoding machine-generated hallucinations. To make the matrix work, you need an enforcement mechanism built into the daily workflow. The first step is mandatory labeling. Developers must tag any pull request with an explicit disclosure label if AI was used to generate code. This triggers a 2-layer review. Because AI code is prone to subtle structural errors, these specific PRs are subjected to stricter automated testing and linting than human-written code. We also need to look at the environment. Right now, most developers are juggling 6 to 10 separate tools every day. This tool sprawl forces constant context switching, which makes it easier for almost right code to slip through a tired review process. We solve this by rationalizing the stack into 3 pillars: the primary IDE, the pull request platform, and a verified internal knowledge base. The knowledge base serves as the ultimate backstop. It provides human-verified patterns for the complex questions that typically cause AI models to fail. A linear stack combined with aggressive PR labeling isolates AI errors before they merge, reducing the cognitive load on the entire squad. With the workflow established, the next step is codifying these roles into an enforceable team policy. Condense your matrix and review steps into 3 to 5 clear points. Your goal is a single, actionable page that any developer can reference instantly. Deploy this policy live at your next engineering all-hands meeting to ensure the entire organization understands the new standards. Acknowledge the team's existing frustrations. Use the survey data to show that you recognize how much time they lose to debugging machine-generated errors. Presenting these guardrails as a tool to protect engineering time addresses the actual cause of developer rework. This framing shifts the policy from a matter of oversight to a matter of productivity. You have now built a secure baseline for your team: a concrete policy, a clear task matrix, and an automated 2-layer defense. This framework stops the hidden tax of unverified AI code. It means your senior engineers stop spending their time fixing machine-generated bugs in core systems. Start the process now. Send a message to your leads asking where AI suggestions currently create the most rework. Subscribe for more engineering leadership strategies. In the comments, tell us, what is the one specific task your team will never allow AI to touch?